So, our presentation is about smart traffic light system of Vienna city. We had already presentation of some problematic tasks for smart city of Vienna. And now the part which is like the part of smart city is smart traffic light system. It is not so easy to present this system in our city because we have very large traffic, because we have many vehicles, we have many tourists in Vienna, and it is very hard to regulate crossroads, to control traffic. And what we propose to do in our research. Now, there is system of traffic lights, not smart in Vienna city, but only 5 crossroads has cameras to understand which number of pedestrians are in this crossroad. For vehicles, there are no cameras who can control traffic, only some cameras to make measurement of velocity, of speed of these vehicles. The goal of this paper of our research is development of concept. So how we are looking at this task and what we propose. It will be a smart traffic light system. Our research is together with our Institute of Telecommunication, Institute of Machine Vision, also companies who provide 5G decisions and artificial intelligence decisions. Oh, it is Capsch and Nokia. Novelty of this research is combination of some decisions. We propose 5G because in our city and in country, Austria, there is 5G connection. So we can use this, and in our presentation you can see that we have comparison of different technologies of 5G according to the rules and to requirements in our country for using frequency range. Classification of traffic light system is, this is classical classification, analog traffic lights. In many countries there are such systems. Geo-information traffic lights, adaptive traffic lights, and neural network or smart traffic light system. You can see here a photo from adaptive traffic light system from company Siemens. Siemens, it is the main provider of adaptive traffic light system in Vienna. This information not from them, but from Technical Museum of Vienna. So it is open information for all users. And you can see here that they use inductive loops. And you can see here that PLC used in this system and other classical components. Features of different types of traffic lights. Here you can see in comparison table and principle of operation and disadvantages. Now you can see that very large number of different disadvantages there are for all types of traffic lights systems, but also there is a problem for neural network traffic lights. It is connected with lamp bits. A conceptual model of the system smart traffic lights includes some theories. It is theory, the main, of information processing and coding, Also, we need pattern recognition theory because we will use uh, cameras, cameras for pedestrians and cameras for vehicles. Theory of cybersecurity because uh, as specialist in cybersecurity, I can say that all technologies are vulnerable. Communication technologies needed to be like more cyber secure, but now in whole world this is a problem, and we need additive methods to do protection of this. Theory of motion and determination of traffic parameters, theory of traffic management, theory of 5G information transmission, theory of qualia, decision-making theory, this is neural networks, and theory of reliability and robustness. So if we can understand that all of these theories contain of different methods, different models. So we need to understand how does it work. We need to understand which parameters we need, and we need to make methods for these theories. So this task is very large. And we have division into different parts of research for our partners and inside our institute also. And the result of our project and of our model, it will be almost ready prototype. So you can see here different variants of methods and mathematical models, which we need here. Now, I can say that some models we already have. We have a list of parameters for these models and some information about situation in the city we have by statistical from government because also government involved in this process. A smart traffic light system, how we can conceptually propose this. It is network, computer network, with technologies different. It can be Wi-Fi, it can be using of 10 gigabit Ethernet technology, 1 gigabit Ethernet technology, 5G technology, and also we need server, we need routers, we need programmable logical controllers, we need cameras, machine vision cameras, and we need also storage access network because information will be big data and we need to obtain result to evaluate result of data transmission and also edge computing as a variant of evaluation like to each of smart traffic light system. It is only for one crossroad, for large crossroad, we can understand that we need PLC, we need router, we need cameras, and we need server or access to cloud also in this system. This is only one of possible variants. We have now close to 10 or 12 variants of organization, and together with companies, we will decide which type of equipment and which type of this scheme we will do in each type of crossroad, because we have also difficult crossroads with trams, with buses, with vehicles and pedestrians. So for each variant, for each case, it will be another scheme. This is only concept. This is only one of them. For 5G technologies, when we say about 5G technologies, many people think that this is only the one technology, 5G. There is 4G, there is 5G. If we are talking about 5G technologies, there are some of them, and there are different standards for them, and there are also for one technology different variants. For example, different categories of LTE-M from the first and until. And you can see here two technologies which can be used in our city, in Vienna. Why can be used? Because in different countries there is limitation of frequency ranges for using. Some of them are busy by military needs, by needs of security, different government security services. And in Vienna, there is free frequency range for realization of 5G. This is from 2 and 7 gigahertz to 3 and 5 now, and next year it will be 3 and 7 gigahertz. So two technologies from other can be used for this narrowband IoT and 5G NR. 5G NR, this is the last version of 5G technologies, and it uses different artificial intelligence features, uses tunnels like in VPN technologies, in VPN virtual private networks. So they have slices for cybersecurity access, and you can see here different types of modulation, different data rate. You can see that it can be more large for 5G NR, and bandwidth for each channel, and types of coding here. Abbreviations you can see at the right size. And frequency ranges are N, and this is a type of frequency range. And we can see that some of them can be used for our decisions. Also, now there is a project together with government of Vienna about realization of vehicle to everything system based on 5G. And the last year of this project will begin from October. I participate in this project, that is Intersections project. You can see here also 5G systems parameters, which for different systems, for these different technologies 5G, we can find now in standards. And you can see that for 5G belong LoRaWAN, LTE, different categories, and narrowband IoT, NR, also DECT 2000, and also there is new 5G technology which use 6 gigahertz, but in Vienna it is not possible, so I didn't present it in my research. So about what we have. Now we have a problem for development and further research. Why it is a problem? Now it is a question of safety of pedestrians, safety of vehicles. Why? Because we have parameters which includes, for example, baby strollers, which includes invalid, not stroller, also specific traffic of pedestrians. For example, if people have broken leg, for example, he can go through the cross road more slowly. And what we propose to use machine vision to understand when people are on border, on the border of the road at the another side. And after this, we can use 3 seconds, and after this will be change traffic lights. Also, we have different cases also from our government, how different types of vehicles can make um, response to other vehicles and to pedestrians and to bicycles. Also, this information included in our research. So now we have many tasks. We have vision how to use it, and our concept will be like finished together with companies like already like ready prototype. Thank you very much. If you have questions,